welcome back to another video. It's your girl Ariane Styles, and from the title you can tell we are back with another hair finesse. Today's unit is from LuvmeHair.com, and it is this gorgeous highlight bob unit that I wore for my birthday, but I didn't get a lot of pictures in this look, so I'm saying, you know, I'm going out today again. Why not just take this unit for a rerun? So this clip that you're seeing is day 2 of wearing this unit, and the curls are holding up, the lace still looks melted, everything looks amazing. So if you want to see how I got this look all together, just keep on watching. Okay, loves, welcome back to another hair review. This one is from LuvmeHair.com. This is a 5x5 loose wave unit. This unit is so bomb. I love how the highlight is, you know, perfectly placed towards the front, so you can do a side part, a center part, and you still get that blonde effect. So I'm going in and plucking the unit to my liking because it was a little bit too dense. I also bleached the knots prior to plucking the unit. Again, you didn't have to bleach the knots. That's totally up to you. I find that I like my units a lot more when the knots are less visible, you know. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just plucking, and then I'm going in with my hot comb to just, you know, make my parting a little bit more snatched. I'm doing a side part, and as you can see, this lace is looking so bomb. The pluck job was amazing. I did good. Pat on my shoulders for that. And you always need to just use your hot comb so you don't get the hump. Personally, my head already shaped like a cone, so me have to ensure say my flat iron up at the top. So I definitely need my hot comb. I'm going in now with my flat iron to just add some waves, and I'm really loving the waves where the ends are kind of like a lot more straight. So that's the look I was going for. Again, this effect would be much better if the unit was shorter, but I didn't want to cut the unit any shorter. So all I'm doing is just adding curls back and forth. That's all I'm doing. And then I'm going to get into the install. Now for the install, I'm going in as usual to just see how the unit is fitting. I did pull the elastic at the back. There's also an additional elastic band inside to make it a lot more snug. And my usual method is using the Got To Be spray. I want to try the EBIN spray, but I haven't gotten my hands on it yet. But for now, I'm using the Got To Be spray, and I'm just ensuring that everything is positioned the way I like, combing that in, and then I'm going to use the tension method to just lay this a little bit more. Now, after it's laid a little bit, I'm cutting off the excess lace, and then I'm just dabbing some of this Got To Be spray on my hands so that I can have it a lot more laid. After I'm done with that, I'm just going in again with my satin scarf to lay this once more while I go and get my makeup done. And yeah, this look was pretty simple. This unit was amazing. Again, it's a loose wave unit, and it's just bomb. I'll definitely recommend it. And I'm loving closures. Like, I'm definitely loving closures. You're going to see me adding my foundations to the parting to just disguise the stocking cap underneath and the actual lace. But other than that, there's nothing else that is required. I really hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see you at the end. end of this video. As you can see, I wore this unit for my birthday, which is where I had on the dangly earrings and all of that. I'll try to insert, you know, pictures of it, and then I wore it for day 2 again, and this unit is still looking bomb. It's still just amazing. It's lightweight, it's easy to install, the closure is melted. Everything about this unit is just beginner friendly. So if you're interested in grabbing this unit for yourself, go ahead and click the link in my description. The name of the unit will also be here on the screen, so you can go ahead and shop, and you can also save yourself a few coins by using the code that is listed in the description box. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this unit. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss an upload, and don't forget to comment and let me know if this is a unit you would grab, right? So once again, thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.